Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade Ger30 using CNBC Easy Guide. Start by tuning into CNBC Live for headlines and market tone, then open a chart platform showing Ger30 price action and volume. Use CNBC economic reports to time entries, confirm trends with moving averages, and set stops at logical support or resistance levels to manage risk while you practice in a demo account. In this video, I will explain how to trade Ger30 using CNBC Easy Guide. First, link a charting app to your brokerage and choose timeframes that match your trading style. Turn on CNBC alerts for market-moving headlines and the economic calendar for German data. Add moving averages and RSI to identify trend and momentum, and practice placing limit entries plus stop-loss orders in a demo account before trading live. In this video, I will explain how to trade Ger30 using CNBC Easy Guide. Focus on trading after clear CNBC-driven market moves when volumes spike and price confirms direction. Use trend following on hourly charts to capture larger swings and scalp pullbacks on 5-minute charts for quick gains. Always calculate risk per trade as a percent of your account, place stops beyond key support or resistance, and review trades after market close.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.